Yes, Judge, I was on mute. Sorry.
Thank you. I got it.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Not good now.
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no drinking or eating, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a surface level so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no drinking or eating, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a surface level so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning.
You have to close out the YouTube that you started. You have to go to the screen and actually close out the YouTube that you started because it's doing feedback.
The YouTube that you started.
Okay. I had to do what to YouTube, Judge?
So the window that popped up when you do YouTube, and make sure it's closed.
You have to go to the screen and actually close out the YouTube that you started because it's doing feedback.
Yeah. What YouTube did I s-
YouTube that
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Dewan Webb. This is ticket number 154648889. Count 1, unregistered motor vehicle. Count 2, driving while license suspended. Count 3, uninsured motor vehicle. Ticket number 1251156. Count 1, no operator's license on person. And ticket number P407626. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, drove while unlicensed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Spencer Clayton appearing on behalf of Mr. Webb, P number 77302.
And Mr. Webb, can you state your name for the record, please?
Dewan Edward Webb.
This is the date and time set for an arraignment on a bench warrant. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, I'd ask the court to recall the warrant. There was a offer from the people, and Mr. Webb will be accepting that offer. He will be entering a plea to unregistered motor vehicle as well as improper plate. I have explained to him his constitutional rights. I believe he's ready for questioning, Judge.
Thank you. At this time, the court will set aside any warrants that may be out there for Mr. Webb. It's my understanding, however, Mr. Webb, you would like to take advantage of this offer this morning?
Yes, Your Honor.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Webb, did you have an opportunity to talk to your attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking the guilty plea, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today, Mr. Webb?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I want to take you back to the date of November 17th of 2015. At that time, were you driving a Chevy Suburban vehicle in the area of Penrod and Tireman in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was it unregistered with the Secretary of State's office at the time?
It was my friend's vehicle.
Okay. And it was, you could not provide a registration with the state of Michigan?
Yes,
And were you also driving while your license was suspended at the time?
yes,
Satisfied, Attorney Clayton?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
There's stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to driving unregistered motor vehicle on count 1. Count 2 is going to be amended to improper plates. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed as a part of the plea. Mr. Webb, this is why it's so important to know what your friends register their vehicles as. Once you get into it and you choose to drive, that's your responsibility now.
yes. Yeah, I understand now.
All right, today I'm going to assess a fine in the amount of $200 on one of the tickets. I'm going to waive the cost and fines on the other ticket. How long will it take you to pay that $200? 30 or 60 days?
I can pay it today.
All right, I'll give you 30 days just in case, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Have a great day, Mr. Webb.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, Attorney Clayton. No, your attorney signed off already.
All right, I have spoken with everyone, so just waiting for the plea offers.
I'm about to send it right now, the ones I have.
Okay, thank you.
Give it 2,000.
Ms. White,
Yes, I'm here.
Eric Williams in room 5 is asking for help. If you want to see what,
We said.
Eric Williams, room 5.
Oh, Eric, well, okay, I can go back and speak with him.
Hi, this is Attorney Friedman. I need to briefly check back in with courtroom 333.
Yeah.
No problem.
Okay, thank you. I'll be back.
Okay.
Are they ready? I'm not, I am. I'm a younger girl. I don't know.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Did they come back ready?
No, she's still in there. Do we have to ask myself about that?
Oh, we can't ask him why he's here. So Dante, this guy has, I don't know why everything is into our program. Maybe because they put the tickets in on different dates, but one of his tickets is, misdemeanor, obviously that came with our code. The other two are civil infractions, but he set up, the civil infraction time,
Now, it's just on the second floor.
informal hearing.
Right. Is it all on the same date?
All on the same day, same place, same location, and he paid a bond because it went into default on one of the tickets.
Uh-huh.
And so what do we do on those tickets?
You can just take it. Because he's supposed to come to your courtroom, so you can handle it.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
It just
Is
said-
it an offer for all of it?
Well, it's an offer for one of the counts, the improper place, and then the other two counts are civil infraction.
So you want me to write an offer for the civil infractions?
I didn't listen.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
And if he wants to take that offer, that way he doesn't have to,
Right.
no,
Then he can get his bond money back.
yeah. when he gets some money back.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
I looked at your office. Yeah.
Especially because that goes against everything our policy says. I'm just saying, I follow policy.
Attorney White, who are you ready on? Officer Spadell, Corporal Spadell?
Yes, Your Honor.
I apologize. I don't know why you were sent a thing for trial today. He already took a plea a while ago.
All right. That's cool with me.
All right. Yeah, I was gonna say, you're all set. I apologize.
No worries. You have a good day.
All right. Hey, you too. Stay safe, okay?
Will do.
All right. Hello, Ms. Cole.
Good morning. I'm sorry I'm so late this morning.
It's okay. I totally understand.
Oh, thank you.
Trooper, I messed up his name. I'm not gonna mess it up again. He wants to talk to you about an offer. We have a, formal hearing today.
Okay,
Attorney Freeman, Trooper Safarian, and yourself in a breakout room so that you can talk about a resolution.
okay, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're so welcome. And Trooper, it's breakout room number 1. Can you get back there for us? Just go back to number 1, please. Thank you.
Judge, we're ready on WAW. Can't pronounce my client's last name.
All right. Miss Sandy, you ready?
Sandy. Hi, Sandy. Oh,
Okay, cool. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jeffrey Workorowski. That's WAWRRYKOWICZ. This is one count of 16 to 20 miles over posted speed limit. Appearances for the record, starting with APA code, please.
may it please the court, Paula Cole on behalf of the people, P31888.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark Friedman on behalf of the defendant, P47908.
And Trooper, can you state your name for the record, please?
That's sorry, I couldn't find the button. That's Trooper Tafralian, Michigan State Police, TAFRALIAN.
Thank you so much. This is the date and time set for a formal hearing in this matter. Has there been a resolution reached?
Yes, Your Honor. The three of us had a discussion and the people are going to amend the ticket to limited access 1 to 5.
Is that your understanding, Attorney Freeman?
That is correct, and I do have authority on behalf of my client to accept responsibility to the amended charge of limited access speed 1 to 5 over.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to read from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the date of April the 2nd of 2022, in the area of I-94 and Cecil Street in the city of Detroit, your client was driving a Mercury vehicle and did speed doing 1 to 5 over limited access. Satisfied with that, attorney?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And the court is satisfied as well and will accept that responsible plea to amend to limited access 1 to 5 miles over. The fine for that is $125, Attorney Freeman. Your client has 14 days to make that payment. So it's due on July 20th of 2022.
Very good, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you all so much for your patience this morning. I really appreciate that. And if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you,
All right,
ma'am.
thank you. Stay safe, Trooper, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
All right, I am ready, but I just have some matters that have valid paperwork that I would like to either speak with the city attorney or the judge will review. Anyone there?
Attorney White,
Yes.
if they have any documents, they can send it over to the courtroom's email address.
Okay, I will do that. It's just one person.
So it's courtroom 337 at 36districtcourt.org. It's CTRM 337 at 36districtcourt.org.
Okay, I'll send you over Mr. Wells' information right now. So I'm prepared to proceed with. I'm ready.
So Attorney White, I received his license, so you all ready?
Yes, I'm ready, yes.
Okay.
Hello.
Hey, Attorney White.
Yes, just checking when the judge is gonna be probably coming out.
Well, you wasn't ready, so she went and did another courtroom.
Okay.
All right, everybody, thank you for your patience. Get started.
There are, okay, yep.
Ms. Wada?
Yes.
I see Ms. Sandy has popped up on the screen. Now calling the matter of the people versus Antoinette Wada. This is ticket number P1220588. This is one count, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Rita White on behalf of Miss Antoinette Wadood. Please say your name for the record, Miss Wadood.
Antoinette Wadood.
Your Honor, there is a recommendation to dismiss her ticket. We're asking that you accept.
Yes, and at this time, I do see the recommendation to dismiss this ticket without prejudice, and the court is going to do that at this time. I'm going to dismiss this ticket without prejudice. Ma'am, you're all set. It looks like you took care of some other tickets, so because of that, they're going to dismiss this ticket. Okay, ma'am?
Yes, thank you.
You're very welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing.
Will there be a reinstatement fee assessed so she can move forward reinstating her license?
I don't know. You look up and see if it's a reinstatement fee. No reinstatement fee.
Okay. So just follow up.
All set. All right. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing.
Thank you.
Okay.
Have a good day, ma'am.
Thank you.
Welcome. Try to keep them out. You're not listening.
Hello.
You're all
You're
set.
good, ma'am. You can leave. Miss West, Mr. West, Miss West, Miss West. Miss West, can you unmute yourself, please?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Can you start your video for me, ma'am?
What's up?
Hello?
Hello? There you go. All right.
Yes.
All right. I saw the video. I don't know what happened. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Michael West. This is ticket number P1193304. This is one count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Rita White on behalf of Miss Michael West. Miss West has shaky reception. If you can, please state your name for the record, Michael West.
Michael S.
Your Honor, there is an offer to plead to allowing an unlicensed person to drive her vehicle with a delayed 3-month plea offer. She would like to take advantage of the offer.
Is that right, Miss West?
Yes.
All right. If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ma'am, did you have an opportunity to
Okay.
talk to an attorney? Okay. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes. I'm
And
not
do you
sure if I
understand-
understood that.
Yeah, I said, are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, that you allow someone to drive your car who was unlicensed?
Oh, yes.
Okay. And do you understand that by taking this plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. I want to take you back to the date of April the 28th of 2021. Did you own a Hyundai vehicle at that time?
Yes.
And did you allow someone who was unlicensed to drive that vehicle?
Yes.
And counsel, will you stipulate that it was in the area of Joy Road and Evergreen in the city of Detroit?
So stipulated.
Thank you. At this time, the court is going to accept the plea to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive in this particular matter. Ms. West, this is under what's called a 3-month delayed sentence. What that means is that I'm going to assess a fine today, and as long as you pick up no new tickets, in 3 months, this will be dismissed if you pay that fine, okay?
Okay.
All right, so my fine is $200, and you have the 3 months to be able to pay that, because as long as it's paid by your review date, then I will dismiss this, okay? So it's going to, you'll come back for a review date on October the 6th, that's a Thursday, 2022 at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay. If I pay it before then, do I still have to go to the review?
Call the court.
No. So Ms. West, if you pay it before then, as long as we look in the system and see that you paid it and you don't have any new tickets, then we'll dismiss it without you coming, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Oh, no problem.
Take care.
Bye.
Mr. Wheeler,
Yes.
you activate your camera for me, please? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Martin Wheeler. This is ticket number P1221490. One count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Rachel White on behalf of Mr. Martin Wheeler. Mr. Wheeler, please state your name for the record.
Martin E. Wheeler.
Your Honor, there has been an offer for a delayed dismissal sentence for a 3-month delayed. I believe Mr. Wheeler would like to take advantage of the offer.
Is that right, Mr. Wheeler? You want to take advantage of that offer today?
Sure, Your Honor. Anything to get me to work.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna ask you some questions, so raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward?
With what the attorney spoke of, yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, so it's gonna be essentially a plea and then it's a delayed sentence. I'm gonna issue a fine. As long as you pay the fine, it's gonna be dismissed. No new ticket.
Yes.
Okay. All right, sir, I want to take you back to the date of July the 1st of 2021. At that time, did you own a Ford vehicle?
Yes.
And did you allow someone who was unlicensed to drive your vehicle?
Yes.
All right, and counsel, will you stipulate it was in the area of Otter Drive in Wyoming in the city of Detroit?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive at this point in time. Sir, my fine for this is $200. So you essentially have 3 months to be able to pay this. As long as you pick up no new tickets and you have the fine paid, then this case will be dismissed. If you pay it prior to your review date, which will be October the 6th, 2022, you do not have to show up for the review date, okay?
It'd be paid in a week. It'd be paid in a couple days, actually.
All right, so as long as you have no new tickets and we look at the system and it's paid, you do not have to show up on October the 6th, okay? You can just know that the case will be dismissed. Okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, sir.
I can leave the chat now.
Yes, you can. Go ahead, sir.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
You have a better one.
All right, thank you.
Hello.
Hey, Marty. How
Good. Who's this? I'm good. And you?
All right.
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Williams. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm okay. How you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Gonna call your matter now.
Okay.
Now I'm calling the matter of People versus Eric Williams. This is U ticket 620-15821. This is receiving and another for the act. Nope, I'm saying it wrong. Why do they write this ticket like this?
Okay.
Trying to write the words on it. Accosting or soliciting another for the act of prostitution. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Rita White on behalf of, please state your name for the record, sir.
Eric Williams.
Your Honor, Mr. Williams has been billed an offer of a reduction to disorderly conduct. At this time, he is rejecting the offer and we are requesting a trial before your honor be scheduled.
Okay.
Yes.
Is that right, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down.
Okay.
Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to counsel in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And she's informing me you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of October the 23rd, October the 23rd.
23rd, okay.
Yep, it's gonna be 9 a.m. via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, you're gonna zoom in for your bench trial.
Okay, 9 a.m.
9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, I'll see you on October the 23rd, okay, sir?
All righty, I appreciate it.
All right, you're
You
welcome.
take
Thank you
care.
for your patience this morning. Take care.
All right, you too. Have a nice day, y'all.
You
Okay,
too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
okay, bye-bye.
Ms. Warfield, if you can unmute yourself, press *6, please. Press *6, Ms. Warfield.
Yes. Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Okay, I'm gonna call your matter now. Now calling the matter of the people versus Donica Warfield. This is ticket number 15471116. This is one count drove while license not valid. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel.
Rita White on behalf of, please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Donica T. Warfield.
Your Honor, this matter is scheduled for an arraignment on bench warrant. Wait for reading, stand mute.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we moving forward?
Now, Ms. Warfield has been there has been a plea recommendation for her case, However, there is a case that the city attorney is would like her to plead responsible to, which is a speeding ticket, and reduce it to blockading. I reviewed the register of actions, and it appears that a judgment was rendered on this matter September 8th of 2014. And in exchange for that, the city attorney will dismiss her ticket that is scheduled for today, which is a license violation. I know there's a motion. I know it's judgment rendered, but I don't know if the court has any discretion to modify the judgment to a blockading and move with the dismissal, accept the dismissal on the license.
It was from 2015, so if it was from more recent times, I would be willing to do that, but that was from a while ago. So,
I'm asking that you honor the dismissal for the license violation.
yeah.
Thank you.
So do you understand, Ms. Warfield? They already entered
Yes.
they entered in a judgment on you for a while. There was probably a companion case where it was speeding, and so you have to pay that fine and that cost. But for this ticket, we're going to dismiss it because of the case where you have to pay the cost and fines. That's what happened.
Yeah, and just for the record, there's a zero balance on that case.
All right. So you're all set, Ms. Warfield. I'm going to dismiss this case today without prejudice, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Have a wonderful day.
All right, I will. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Bye, ma'am. Let everybody else come out. Mr. Wells? Manu Wells?
You have to unmute.
All right. Is the other person on the?
Can you hear me? Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah. Okay, I can. Yep.
Hello,
Hello. All right.
my apologies.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Manuel. This is ticket number P11978890. This is one count drove while license not valid or improper license. Also calling ticket number P11978880. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, no proof of insurance. On the latter 2 counts, I know that count 1 has gone into default and count 2 is set for a formal hearing in courtroom 220. In courtroom 220. But these matters should have all been on my docket. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Rita White on behalf of, please say your name, sir.
My name is Manu Wells.
Your Honor, I did email a copy of a verified copy of Mr. Wells' driver's license, which expires in a couple of years. So I'm asking that you accept that for dismissal on that ticket.
All right, at this time, the court does have a copy of his driver's license. Appears to expire on his birthday in 2025.
And with regards to the two other matters, there is a recommendation for dismissal. And the one in default. Okay.
So those are going to be dismissed based on his pleading to this case. So I'm going to dismiss his drove while license not valid or improper. Mr. Wells, what you did, it seems like you came to the court and you paid a bond so that you could get the other matter reinstated. You have a hearing on 2/20 for those matters in front of a magistrate.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so what you're gonna do, just honor that hearing date and attend that so that you can be able to handle that matter, okay?
I didn't get a date for 2/20. Is that something that I should be expecting in the mail? I am.
What day is it? August. Oh, it's August 1st. Hasn't happened. Right. It's set for August 1st? It's set for August 1st. So you should have got something in the mail about it, but if not, it's August 1st, sir. So sign on to that court and handle that matter. Now, I did see in the thing that he only paid on one of the tickets for him. He posted, yeah, that's fine. So you only posted bond on one of the tickets. One of the tickets is already in default. So you may want to consider that, okay?
I'm just trying to find out the best protocol. I'm not sure. That's what she advised me when I came in. But if I need to pay additional or do something so that I'm not in the.
Let me ask you this. Do you have car insurance now? Do you have your plates up to date?
Yes, I have my insurance registration.
Yeah, he does.
I have my insurance.
With them, and I did discuss about for the default, the judge may ask him for a motion to set aside the default because he's rectified the matter. So I was like,
you have valid documentation now on all the tickets, so the court's going to dismiss all of your matters now. I'm going to set aside the default judgments and return your bond money.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. You're compliant. Okay.
Okay. All right.
Make sure you keep everything up to date and stay compliant though, because what happens when you don't?
You're here.
That's right.
Yeah, I don't have any excuses. I was pulled over in the process of waiting for my not my court date, but my Secretary of State appointment. It was during the COVID time, and I made an appointment for me to go in, and I was pulled over in the interim.
I know. A lot of people got caught up because they still had to go to work and do all those things, but you have to make sure you have everything in order and don't draw attention to yourself either to have them pull you over, okay? You
True.
Okay.
True. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Magically find everything else. Okay. So I'm going
Yes,
to
Your Honor.
in this court, I'm going to take those tickets out of default. I'm going to return your bond money and I'm going to dismiss all the matters because now you are in compliance, having your license up to date, having your plates now up to date, and having proof of insurance.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You have a good day, okay, sir?
You too. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Is this Mr. Brandon Watkins?
Yes.
Okay. Unmute yourself, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now following the matters of the people versus Brandon Watkins. This is ticket number P1198728. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1139655. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1079845. 1 count drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P12602828. 1 count drove while license suspended. And ticket number P12600808. Count 1, disregard red signal or amber signal. Count 2, 26 to 30 miles over posted speed. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Rita White on behalf of, please state your name for the record, Mr. Watkins.
Brandon Watkins.
Your Honor, there is a plea recommendation. However, there's no final resolution to the recommendation. However, there is a recommendation for Mr. Watkins to sign up and register for the defensive driving program, come back for a pretrial, which we are requesting be set, and hopefully we'll have positive outcome.
Okay.
And he is aware that he will be required to provide proof of completion of the program.
She didn't get that last part. Speak up, Ms. White.
Yes, I did advise him that he will need to bring back a copy to show on the screen that he has completed the program to be able to move forward with a more positive result with your matters.
All right, you understand, Mr. Watkins?
Yes, Your Honor.
They want you to take some classes because you got some driving.
I know the lawyer was telling me MichiganDefenseDriving.com.
Yeah. How long do you think it would take you to take that class? So I can have you come back.
I asked her, she said I gotta register first. So I gotta go on there today, later on when I get off of work, and see what's going on with it.
You think 2 months will be enough time for you to go on and take it?
Oh yes, after I see, yes, it shouldn't be that long, I'm sure, for the course.
Month? Well, I don't know when they have the classes. That's why.
Right.
And then you're like, I didn't take it yet, and we got to adjourn. How about a month from now, though? I'll be in August in a month. What about that second week? I'm trying to date right now, so for you to come back, okay?
Okay.
August the 12th, okay? Come back.
Okay, Your Honor.
That should give you enough time. So if you sign up for it and the class doesn't happen until like a couple of weeks, at least you don't have to feel pressure. You come back and they'll give you hopefully a different offer. What they're trying to see is what they okay.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're so welcome. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal on everything. I'll see you back on August the 12th, 8 a.m. via Zoom, okay? Same way you came on today.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Watkins, you have a good day, okay?
You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Thank you. So we're all set.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great week.
All right, you too.